Sometimes the best moments in life are the simplest ones: good food, great company, and the beauty of nature all around you. Someone shared a video of Macqueripe recently, and I was like, you know what? This is our sign to go. I just love to drive. Let Hubby relax himself.
Come dog, don't cross the road. Don't cross.
The washroom facilities, let's just say that it could have been better, but that's not what we're here for. We're here to go on the beach. Life gets busy, but with moments like these, they are priceless. So take the time, soak in the beauty, and enjoy the little things with the ones around you. Share this with someone who needs a beach day, and be sure to let me know in the comments on your favorite beach.